If you're looking for reliable protection for your AirPods Pro, the Pelican Marine Series armor case is worth a look. Designed specifically for the 2019 AirPods Pro, this case offers IP68 certification, meaning it shields your device from water splashes, dust, dirt, and even snow. That kind of defense matters when you're on the move or caught in unexpected weather. Beyond just water resistance, this case is built tough. Its military-grade drop protection comes from a durable hard shell with a matte finish that resists scratches and bumps. The anti-fingerprint and anti-dust coating keeps the case looking clean and smudge-free, so it stays sharp no matter how much you use it. Charging your AirPods Pro won't slow you down either. The Pelican case supports both wired Lightning and wireless Qi charging without needing to remove the case. Plus, its precisely designed port covers keep dust out while maintaining easy access to your charging ports, combining convenience with protection seamlessly. Portability is a key feature here. Each case includes a detachable carabiner clip, so you can easily attach your AirPods Pro to a backpack, handbag, or pouch. Whether you're walking, running, or hitting the gym, the four-corner airbag design and shock-absorbent materials cushion your earbuds from impact during daily activities. This package includes one Pelican Marine Series armor case in black, designed exclusively for the Apple AirPods Pro 2019 model. It also comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. Customers in the U.S. praise its durability, noting how well it holds up over time. What you get with the Pelican Marine Series is a blend of rugged protection and sleek usability. It keeps your AirPods Pro safe from the elements and accidental drops without adding bulk or sacrificing style. If that sounds like what you need, this case deserves your attention. When it comes to protecting your AirPods Pro, the Pelican Marine Series armor case stands out for its thoughtful design and proven durability. It's a smart choice for anyone who wants dependable, everyday protection combined with easy charging and portable convenience. Try it when you're ready to give your AirPods the protection they deserve.